Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be teaching you guys the best rendering settings for Vegas Pro. Okay, so let's start. I already have a video here, so this video is gonna be very short. So let me just show you what the video is. It's a music video. There we go. Okay, yeah, so that's mainly it. So you go to your file, you go to your render as. So this is where main settings will be done. So you want to look for Magic X AVC/AAC MP4. That's if you're rendering a video, of course. So I'll mainly advise you guys to choose the Internet HD 1080p 25 FPS. Then we're going to customize that. So you can just change the template to, I'll put it to test 1. Okay, frame size, you want to leave it main. So this is where you're going to change it. You change this to 60. Then mainly that's mainly all you do. Then you go to your project right here, go to video rendering quality, you want to put on best. This sometimes we leave it on blend, but let's just leave it on default. Then you click OK, and right here you have it. So you can save this by clicking on this. So anytime you want to see it without you just coming here, you just go to show favorites and it's gonna be right here. So click on it, then you render your video. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Hope it really adds some value to you. Stay safe. Okay, see you guys in another video. Have a nice day.